In this quick video, I'll show you how to make Chrome default browser on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So it is a pretty straightforward process. For that we need to open setting app on our Windows 11. For that I can search here settings, then open your application and then go to apps here. You can see it in the left panel, then click on it. Once you are here, go to default apps. And then we need to search here our application. In search apps, I'll type here Chrome and then you can see this is Chrome. I just need to open it and now just tap on set default. You can see make Google Chrome your default browser. We just need to tap on it, then Google Chrome will be my default browser. Also you can change some types for your default application, such as you can see my PDF will be open in Microsoft Edge. If I want to make it Chrome as my default, for that we just need to tap on this icon and then it will open this window. Here select Google Chrome and then click on set default. Then your PDF files will be open using Google Chrome application instead of Microsoft Edge. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.